23 hours.
Look at her. Mark, get on this side. Come on.
Dance, Lana.
Josh.
And Josh.
Those legs pretty?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Uh-oh. Oh, she's going to be black.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to run. Oh. Jingle all the way.
Would you have too much eggnog?
I know, she's a little drunk there. All right, Lai, you ready to go?
Can you grab a shoe? That was fun, huh? Boy. So what time did they come home? Can you say bye for light?